Hey guys, this is your Chen. Welcome to my channel. This is my second video for you guys. So today my brother called and asked me if I wanted to join for the riverside outing. So I said yes, why not? It's been ages I have not been out, so I agreed and we headed to the destination. The road was very rough and we had to take like halfway we had to take a cab and halfway we had to walk. I had no problem walking because I love walking, especially to the place I had no idea about. So my brother knew about this place because often he comes for the swimming in this type of area. So I said, let's just go with it. And on the journey, my brother was complaining if like maybe I'll slip away snacks from the bag. So I made sure our snacks were safe. And here he was telling us about the location, and here he jumped just like a spider monkey, just wanted to show off a little bit. And we on the other side tried to walk safe because we did not want it to get bruises before we get our feet inside the water. So here he was posing, and again the location was beautiful. At first I thought this was the place, the first river where like the riverside where we reached. I thought it was the place, but fortunately it was not, and he guided us. And here our sister-in-law falls down while on the other side I was posing, thinking that the camera is facing towards me. So the second location where he guided us was very beautiful. I was just in love with the river, and we also found a cave. I thought it was a small cave, but it was kind of huge and very long in length, and I was scared. I asked my brother if bear or any wild animals were staying inside, so we made sure the area is safe. And I tried to patrol around the areas and try to figure out if the water depth, is it too much or is it safe or not for us. So once I knew the water was very deep and also the water current was very high, I decided I'll be avoiding few areas and I will not be swimming because I just wanted to play safe out. So here I wanted to see whether the water was warm or cold because it's almost summer, so I thought the water was gonna be a bit warm, but it was so cold. It was direct mountain water and every bone inside my body was shivering, and I was freezing a lot. So here I was just testing out and I did few dives which was bearable for certain seconds, but after that no, I had to come out. But overall my body was so relaxed because even when you take a cold shower, your body relaxes a lot and all your stresses goes out. And here I tried to stay calm. I found a very peaceful spot and I sat there and I just enjoyed the sound of the water, and I just sat there for few minutes and I tried to relax. So here we tried stacking stones. As you know, these cans, they were before they were used to mark it as a kind of a location for the lost travelers, and some people also use it as a sign of burial. But here we were just relaxing and we were really enjoying, and we made few cans and then we stopped because we could not go any further. After this, we asked our brother to take some good photos, and he really did a good job on that one. So here are the photos that we took. Also, I wanted to take an underwater picture, and I asked my brother to get one done for me, and this is what he did. I could not thank him more after this. This is another picture that he took where he literally captured a stone in the pictures, and this is by far my favorite one. So thank you, my brother. So after a long, fun and relaxing day, we decided to head towards home because it was getting dark. But I'm very thankful that we had a great time. We recreated few moments and we had lots of fun and lots of snacks. And that was a wrap up. And thank you so much guys for watching this video, and to follow, like and subscribe.